everybody, it's Toni Vitale from Acthound, and I'm the new host for the Acting Insight series. Today we are going to be discussing auditions. Due to the pandemic, most auditions are self-tape and virtual. For the self-tape, it's important that you have good lighting, a blank wall, and good equipment that shows off your best work. As for the virtual auditions, it's important that you have good connection on your computer, iPad, or phone. Test out your technology before you begin the audition so that you are prepared and ready. It's important to be on time. Give yourself a few minutes before the actual audition time to give yourself some time to prepare. This way, you can tackle any nerves that you may have. Remedies for nerves: jumping jacks, letting out sound, taking a deep breath. It's important that you're giving your best work and you don't want to be nervous. Find these remedies that work for you to get out those nerves. Remember, in your size, you have a start and an end, but there's always the moment before. There's something that you are doing before the actual start of the scene. Just create a small choice of something that's going to bring you into the scene. I'll give you an example. If my line is, "Hey, that's my bag," that's my line. I want to create some sort of moment before that's going to lead me into that. Here's 3 small choices for me to go right into that line. Mustard on my jacket. Hey, that's my bag. Gum in my hair. Oh, hey, that's my bag. Observing. Hey, that's my bag. Making an impression. You are being called in for that particular role. But it's important that you remember that you're not just going in for that particular role, that you're going in to make an impression. It's about making the connection, showing your professionalism, your work. Become memorable so that you can get called in for future castings. Good luck on your auditions and happy holidays. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Toni Vitale from Acthound. See you next time on the Acting Insight series.